Ever feel like your credit card statements are a mystery novel? You swipe, you tap, you forget exactly where all that money went. Cha-ching. Suddenly, a hefty bill arrives, leaving you wondering, where did it all go? If you're nodding your head furiously, then you're not alone. Budgeting is a constant struggle, especially when credit cards are involved. They offer convenience, sure, but also the potential for some serious overspending. That's where YNAB, or You Need a Budget, comes in. This budgeting app is all about taking control of your finances, getting you on track to your goals, and, hopefully, saying goodbye to credit card statement surprises. But here's the burning question: can you actually link your credit card directly to YNAB? This might seem like a no-brainer in today's world of instant syncing and automatic downloads. Let's dive in and see what YNAB has to offer. YNAB and credit cards, a powerful partnership. The good news? YNAB is fantastic for managing credit cards. It flips the script on traditional budgeting by focusing on your actual income, not just your current account balance. This means you can plan for upcoming expenses, including credit card payments, and ensure you have the money available before you swipe. Here's the key difference between YNAB and other budgeting apps. YNAB doesn't directly link to your bank accounts or credit cards. While that might sound counterintuitive at first, it actually has a big benefit. Instead of automatic downloads, YNAB encourages you to manually enter your transactions. This might sound like a chore, but there's a method to the madness. By manually entering transactions, you become more mindful of your spending. You're forced to confront each purchase, categorize it, and assign it the money you've already budgeted. This simple act of entering data creates a powerful awareness of where your money is going. Unlinked but not uninformed. So, while YNAB doesn't directly link to your credit cards, you can still stay informed. Here's how. Regular reviews. Make it a habit to regularly review your credit card statements against your YNAB budget. This keeps you accountable and ensures your transactions are accurately reflected in the app. Import statements. While YNAB doesn't offer direct imports, you can upload CSV files from your bank or credit card company. This saves some time on manual entry, but you'll still need to categorize each transaction within YNAB. YNAB's credit card powerhouse features. Despite the lack of direct linking, YNAB offers some amazing features specifically designed for credit cards. Starting balances. YNAB allows you to enter your starting credit card balance, whether you're carrying a debt or starting fresh. Payoff goals. Set goals to pay off your credit card debt. YNAB helps you track progress and stay motivated. Available versus budgeted. YNAB differentiates between your available credit limit and the money you've budgeted to pay towards the card. This prevents accidental overspending. YNAB versus You, the ultimate link. While YNAB doesn't offer direct credit card linking, the app itself becomes the link between you and your finances. By manually entering transactions and focusing on your budget, you gain a deeper understanding of your spending habits. This mindful approach empowers you to make informed decisions and ultimately achieve your financial goals. Maybe that means finally conquering credit card debt, saving for a dream vacation, or simply feeling more in control of your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.